We are a Catholic Americanist university, so everything we do is guided by the St. Mary's mission statement, the Catholic social teachings, and the characteristics of Marianist universities and education, which basically focus on being, respect and human dignity for everyone, being inclusive, and being able to adapt and change as necessary.
Coach Johnny Clifford, he's done a great job bringing people from all over the world. Our program is very diverse, and he pushes us a lot to be good, not just on the field, but off the field, to be better people.
St. Mary's does, an amazing job of making people feel included and presenting opportunities, to have people included.
One of the steps that St. Mary's has done for the community, especially for the union of the community, is creating events for people to every type of gender, every type of age, from freshmen to seniors.
There's a lot of events that go on every week. You can see every Friday that the frats get together and do stuff with everyone, encourage everyone to participate, as well as the School of Business and everyone. So I think there's a lot of events that you can participate, make a lot of friends, and just get to know everyone better.
There are a lot of events being promoted in front of or at the student center.
Just from sitting in the caf to being in the dorms to walking to class, just having a sense of comfort that you can really just be you.
The ease of everything, the ease to talking to upper admin in St. Mary's. I know if I need to talk to someone on the upper level ranks of the school when it comes to up on that chain of command, I know that I have a great chance to be able to I can send an email or reach out, and they'll be able to connect me with whoever I need to talk to.
I think as both a Marianist and Marianist, the Catholic institution, and an Hispanic serving institution, I think St. Mary's is really proud of the vibrant and strong community that we've been able to form here. And I think we value the dignity of every member here on campus, and I think we've built a really robust learning experience.
Everybody together, giving them the opportunity, going out of their way to make sure, they at least have one or two things that they do every month to make sure that people have an opportunity to come together. And
that there's so many other people that know there's diversity and don't even think about it. They just are true to themselves and just makes everyone feel included. I feel like that's important to go, not just in school with it, but in life. It's something that we're always going to go through it, whether we're a Mexican or American. It's just something that's going to be there, and just knowing the people that you're surrounded will make a difference.
Oh, St. Mary's does a great job having different types of activities around campus. Example, you got Oyster Bake. That's a great place for everybody to hang out. There's sporting events. You'll see Greek Life and Greek Week. There's Business Week. There's so many different events going on around campus. There's banquets at the end of the year, activities earlier in the year, just to kind of bring everyone together and bring the whole community to kind of see each other and hang out.
Well, I think we've built unity on our campus by building an equitable and inclusive environment on our campus, and that supports our faculty, our staff, our administration. And I think as we welcome more diversity on our campus, I think we're going to continue to learn from those experiences, and that's what really makes a strong community. So I think St. Mary's has just done a wonderful job, just building community and having learning experience, and everyone can feel comfortable on our campus.
Specifically in the UC, there's always tables out and different organizations talking about events on campus that everybody's invited to, and I really just enjoy the family atmosphere of that.